And now I'm super excited to take you into the future and show you some sneak peeks of what you can expect from us next. So we're going to take a behind the scenes look here. So let's dive in. So right here on the screen, what we're looking at is a diagram, but it's a Salesforce diagram. That's right. We heard from you that one of the biggest pain points you face is the fact that you have to make diagrams by hand from scratch, project over project over project. You have trouble getting our icons. You have trouble knowing what color to use for what products. You wanted us to make it easier for you to make predictable, repeatable diagrams. And that's what we're looking at here, the beginning of the Salesforce diagramming toolkit that we are going to share with you in January. So let's take a look at this diagram a little more. As you can see here, it's an entity relationship diagram, and we're looking at an object. But we have a clear place for you to put an icon if this is, say, from a managed package or a third-party system. You can enumerate the fields here as you would expect, but you can also add now special icons for things like large data volume or relationship hierarchy. These symbols are for you to use to indicate special metadata about this object. And as you can see, this doesn't just stop with objects. Right here on that relationship connector, we have a place for you to indicate this relationship could be subject to data skew. You can also place a clear indicator of what field is even creating a relationship. We give you repeatable places to clearly indicate what's going on in these diagrams so that any stakeholder can see it. Even more, if we look up top, we're building in standard pieces like a header for you to give your diagrams a title, a description, a regular place to put the legend so people know what those symbols mean. And this doesn't just stop with things like ERDs. This symbol, these predictable places to put information, can show up in a diagram like this integration flow. You see again, title, description, a place for your key. And as we zoom in and look here at this integration flow, this isn't Salesforce products. This could be third-party products. Again, anything in the enterprise that you need to interact with as you're building your Salesforce diagrams, you can use this metadata footer with the information about this system right here in your integration diagram. We're giving you repeatable building blocks to make all of your diagrams great. And we're super excited that this is being built for you, for what you need. So here is a zoomed in look at that card that we've been seeing over and over again. And this is an example of those building blocks, giving you predictable places to put valuable information, to making diagrams not only easier to build, but easier for any stakeholder to understand. So look for this diagramming kit coming to you in January. We're really excited to share, and we can't wait to hear what you're building with it and what you want to see next. So give us that feedback.